My manifestation is that I want to see cubs. I've never seen cubs.
Ooh, I want to see
Cubs this time. It's happening.
I don't want to say anything because the last time I said anything, we got nothing.
And we saw some pug marks. So there's, I think, been some movement before we got here.
Wow. Yeah, your manifestation worked. We have seen one cub. He's just lazing around.
Hello, and we are off on our journey to Pench to celebrate Hemal's birthday.
Yay! I'm so excited.
She got lunch for me, home cooked lunch, which is amazing. So she got pasta and keema patties and kaya bhat and amti.
Guys, quick plug-in. Little Kolhapur is a cloud kitchen that my mom runs in Bandra. So please order from us if you miss home-cooked maa ke haath ka khana.
Please do, the food is delicious. Yes, so we have kaya bhat, amti and keema patties from Little Kolhapur and pasta from Hemal Engve's very own kitchen. And she has some interesting berries, which are?
They're called pine berries. They look like strawberries, but they're a lighter shade. But they're really tasty. They're very different. They taste like peach.
Alright, so we are boarding our flight to Nagpur. The rest of the group will join us in Nagpur and then we're off to Pench. See you.
I hope we get like 25 sightings.
Yeah, same. We have reached Pench and we are
At the Sillery Gate.
At the Sillery Gate and we are doing stargazing tonight. This is amazing. It's 10 p.m.
तर तसं याच्यामध्ये सर्व गोष्टी सेट केलेल्या असतात अल्गोरिदम असते त्याच्यामध्ये मूव्ह
What does it look like, Shreya? It looks like when you're getting one pimple, but actually you have another head coming. It's like that. Can't relate. Okay, so guys, we saw the moon, of course.
This is light pollution.
I know. I'm creating it right now. Sorry, guys. So, guys, we saw the moon, of course, and then Jupiter. And
we
Jupiter's
saw the
3
Gemini.
moons. The Gemini constellation. And what else?
And that's it. That's it, no?
We saw some Sirius. We
the
started
first
with
one, the
Sirius.
brightest star.
How has your first stargazing experience
Very,
been?
very nice.
How can the vlog be completed out? Happy birthday, Hemal!
Here's a woman who knows what she wants. So basically, he was like, he called me, he's like, I'm very stressed, I don't know what to do. And I'm like, it's just a week. So you've not planned anything? He's like, no, I'm really stressed. So I was like, okay, I'll tell you. Don't stress so much. Just like bake a few cupcakes, put them in an H.
Very beautiful husband. I think happy birthday, Tiara, Hemal.
Stand here, stand. It's good.
I need the happy birthday.
And it's not very sweet, which is good.
Okay, this is really nice, dude. This is our room. How are you liking the room, Shreya? Love it, right? Oh my god. Wait, what? It is massive. Okay, this is insane. What even? What even is this room? Wait, what are all these doors? Can you please do the honors of... Oh.
We have a little backyard.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Oh wow. This is insane. I have to do a day tour also of this room. And what is this? Is this the... And this is like the tea coffee station with the mirrors. Yeah, please. Please do the honors. Oh wow.
That's place for a campfire.
Oh, this is a campfire pit and it's like just a nice sit out. Okay. This is amazing. We are at the Tuli Tiger Resort and it is fabulous. Like the rooms are so cute. I cannot. Yeah, I love it.
Day number 1, safari number 1. Let's go.
Good morning, Shreya.
Good girl. Guys, we are manifesting. Shreya only has 2 safaris, so we have to get at least one sighting.
Manifestation for this set, we have to get one mating set, and we have to get one hunt. And that too with the bison.
नाही आयडी कुठल्या याच्यासाठी
Ambitious.
I think always dream big.
Safari.
guys.
ठीक आहे.
That's the takeaway from
That's why
this.
Ambani said dream big. And that's what we do.
Okay, I did not sign up for a motivational retreat, but sure. My manifestation is that I want to see cubs. I've never seen cows.
Oh, I want to see
Cubs this time. It's happening.
So natural.
Oh, really very natural girls. We have a professional wildlife photographer with us. Can you share some stats about the lens?
It's too early for it.
मेरा नाम वैभव राजपूत है। मैं पेंच नेशनल पार्क का गाइड हूँ। मैं 4 साल से यहाँ पे पेंच नेशनल पार्क में गाइडिंग का काम कर रहा हूँ। मैं यहाँ पे पहले कुरेगढ़ एंड किंगफिशर 2 टाइगर थे। तो जो कुरेगढ़ था पेंच नेशनल पार्क की जो लंगड़ी थी उसका बच्चा था, और जो किंगफिशर था वो अदर फॉरेस्ट से आया था। दोनों की बेस्ट मोमेंट ये था कि अगर किंगफिशर शाम को अगर ट्रीज में मिलता था तो कुरेगढ़ फिर मॉर्निंग में आपको ट्रीज में मिल जाएगा। दोनों की साइटिंग इतनी प्यारी थी कि मॉर्निंग में कुरेगढ़ तो इवनिंग में किंगफिशर मिलना गारंटी था। मगर जो कुरेगढ़ टाइगर था वो मेन हीटर हो गया था, उन्होंने 17 लोगों को मारा था, तो उसको फिर शिफ्ट कर दिया गया था। बाजीराव का ऐसा टाइगर था कि उसको देखने के लिए देश विदेश से भी लोग आए, क्योंकि वो इतना फेमस टाइगर हो गया था।
So we are at the Kuraigarh sunset point right now, which is like this sort of uphill point which gives you like a beautiful panoramic view of the entire forest. The colors are so beautiful. So we're going to have a quick breakfast here and then continue with the sighting. Up until now we've seen a family of Indian Gaur bisons, which was really cute because the mother was kind of, there were 5 bisons and the mother was kind of cleaning the kid and the father was eating bark of the tree, so it was very interesting to see. And then we also saw a herd of wild boars, like so many of them, but they ran too fast, I couldn't capture it on camera. But it's been dry tiger wise so far, but we're still hopeful. So we are right now waiting close to this lake called Nantur Lake, and we saw some pug marks. So there's, I think, been some movement before we got here. So we're just like waiting here for a little bit and, seeing if we managed to get any movement. We are back, guys, but no sighting. Totally dry safari. It's Hemal's birthday. We need to get at least one sighting. It's okay. Afternoon safari. Let's hope. 100% we are getting a sighting. So we are off for our second safari. Look at and if you cannot tell by people's outfits, it is really hot outside. It's an afternoon safari. It's about 2:30 in the afternoon, and right now we are going through the Kursapar gate. Morning was really dry, so hoping for at least one sighting today.
I don't want to say anything because the last time I said anything, we got nothing.
Anyone else wants to say anything?
I'm still hoping for some birthday luck from the birthday girl.
For the
Fingers
birthday girl,
crossed.
Okay, guys, we got the first tiger sighting of the safari, the tigress F Mark. She's called F Mark because she actually has a F shaped stripe pattern on her body. She's sitting in the water body, slurping water. What a beautiful start. Oh my god. Yeah.
पहले वो इधर माखे टेरिटरी में रहती थी, अभी एमपी साइड में भी एरिया बना ली वो टाइग्रेस ने। आधा एमपी कवर करती है और आधा महाराष्ट्र, दोनों साइड पर कवर करती है। हालांकि है वो इधर का है, इधर ही जन्म हुआ है, बट एरिया बना ली है उसने, आधा एमपी में और आधा इधर महाराष्ट्र में। इसकी मदर बिंदु, एफ मार्क की मदर बिंदु है।
Yay! This is so exciting. We have got a fabulous sighting of the tigress F Mark. She was actually spraying, okay? So she literally like hugged a tree. She sprayed like 4 to 5 times. She drank water. She walked on the road. Like she's basically given us a full show. Yeah. How does it feel?
It feels like a happy birthday.
Yay! Hemal got her birthday sighting. Day number 2, safari number 3. We are headed for a safari from the Sillery Gate today. So both our safaris, morning and afternoon safaris, are from the Sillery Gate. It is cold, so wrapping up in the blanket. इतकं कोल्ड नाही आहे, जास्त करताय सर. ओके, it's just for the camera, guys. It's not that cold actually. We're just being extra. Hemal and Shreya are just being extra for the camera. Okay, I was mistaken. It is very cold. We are back after our third safari. First in Sillery, but fully dry. We did not get anything. We saw a lot of pug marks all over the place. We saw a peacock perform a mating dance, but it was too far away, so I can't show you guys. We saw a lot of pug marks of tigers, tigresses, leopards, everything, but absolutely no sighting. Let's hope we have better luck in the afternoon, man. A couple of jeeps from our same time slot actually got a sighting of this tigress along with her 3 cubs, right? And another couple of gypsies, got a sighting of a leopard. We sadly missed out on both.
And we were all there.
Literally there.
Pretty much there.
Yeah. So we are really hopeful that this is going to be our lucky safari. I really want to see cubs. Never seen them. Fingers crossed. So this tigress is called T131 and she has 2 or 3 cubs. So one of her cubs is sitting there right now, which is so exciting. सर साइटिंग मिल गया
इधर देख
क्या लग रहा है
Yeah, your manifestation worked. We have seen one cub. He's just lazing around.
Okay, the most perfect moment, okay, T131's two cubs are sitting literally in like perfect alignment. Like one cub is sleeping lying down on the ground, the other cub is right behind him. Their faces are literally like in alignment. I feel so bad I don't have a wildlife photography camera right now. It is such a picture perfect moment, guys. My first ever sighting of cubs.
जेवढं मॅप्स करता येईल तेवढं केलं.
केलं ते मी पण करत होतो.
तीसरा भी आएगा रुको. वाओ. और अभी वापस वो हॉलो में से दिखता है क्या?
The hustle to sight tigers is real, guys. It's real. We have been literally looking at these cuties for the last couple of hours at this point. They have, I think so. We've been here for like a couple of hours and like they have played with each other, they have licked, they are sleeping, they're literally like cuddling and spooning with each other. It is so cute. I've never seen this kind of love amongst tigers. It's unreal. Like I have been waiting to sight cubs for years now. Cub से मैं cubs sight करने के लिए रुकी हुई हूँ and it has finally happened today.
Very, 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 very excited. And I think like watching two tigers together is for the first time. Like I have not seen two tigers together. What?
Don't talk about us like that.
Okay, so y'all are referring to yourselves as tigers.
Don't say
So
that.
cute.
को तो टाइगर का आवाज करना था.
Yeah, Dikha.
Say that on
Okay, Siddhant is going to show you a roar.
I don't know what all the मस्त बहुत बढ़िया सुंदर.
There's like a huge crowd of jeeps. So I think the Sillery gate is like a more touristy gate. So there's a huge crowd of jeeps, but people are making such a racket. Like no one is being quiet. People are literally yelling. They are munching. They're like not even here to actually sight tigers. They're just disturbing the tigers. Like the tigers are trying to sleep, and then they are, you know, what are you doing? Oh, they're the tigers are sleeping, and after every 5 minutes, because of how much noise people over here are making, tourists over here are making, they're waking up. So please, when you guys come for safaris, try to respect the nature a little bit. Try to respect the space of the wild animals.
Better views.
If you respect them, they do give us better views. And also the fact that we are coming into their homes, so we should be respectful. Also guys, another heads up, okay, so just like Tadoba, Pench has also stopped its tourists from carrying mobile phones inside. So basically before you enter the core areas of the national park, you have to deposit your phones in a box. So if you want to take pictures and videos, make sure you have a camera or you rent out a camera, because mobile phones are not allowed. The most epic sighting.
Yeah, it was unreal.
We literally looked at the cubs straight up for,
And I'm glad we didn't give up, because it started with 2 and then there was a third one that showed up towards the end and made it all the more epic.
like literally 10 minutes before we left, the third one showed up, and the way they sat together as a family.
Thing is, it was there throughout.
Yeah, we didn't know.
We were just seeing the other two chance by chance, like different, one at different times. So we couldn't make if they were two or only one.
Yeah.
Turns out they were two.
What a sighting. What a day. What a day. We have literally spent 4 whole hours standing in one place, but it was totally
The
worth
best
it.
4 hours spent, honestly.
Absolutely agree. What a wonderful sighting. Okay guys, last day of safaris and we are back at the Khursapar gate. Yesterday was fabulous luck, so looking forward to another fabulous sighting. Let's go. Ori naam diya hai usko. Just like Ori. There is a lot of calling happening. The langurs are giving a very specific call that is specific to leopards, so which is like a very fast call. The call for tigers is more spaced out. So there's like a couple of langurs over here which have been continuously giving a call for the last like 5-10 minutes. A couple of jeeps have spotted like a glance of a leopard somewhere, so we're just waiting here hoping the leopard shows up. We just had a totally dry safari. Nothing, like literally nothing. We got
morning in a row. Third morning in a row, not good.
Yeah, like mornings have really not been kind to us. We've not gotten a sighting in even a single morning
I should
safari.
have slept. I did actually.
But we did spot a nilgai, which is such a cute animal. It's somewhere between a cow and a horse. Kind of looks like a unicorn. Very, very cute sighting of a nilgai, but no tiger, no leopard. We were very close to sighting a leopard, but no luck. Just one more safari to go. Let's see. Off for the last safari from the Chor Bauli gate. We're off on our last and final safari from the Chor Bauli gate. Immense pressure on sighting on this one. First we thought we saw a male leopard, and then there were a couple of other gypsies with us which saw a female leopard as well, so we realized there was a male-female pair, but like it was a fleeting glimpse. Like I didn't manage to shoot any footage, but it was beautiful nonetheless. I was actually manifesting a leopard sighting since this morning, and it has happened. Now we are near the Pench river, you can see. Apparently they have a famous lemongrass chai, so we are taking a pit stop here. Ooh. Oh my god, it smells so good. We are ending our last safari on an absolute high. Flying high, right?
Yeah, flying high, totally.
And nothing compares to this.
Nothing compares to
Nothing.
this.
This is why you feel like coming back again and again and again.
We sighted 3 leopards, okay? A male, a female, and then a female again. We are wrapping up our Pench safari journey here. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.